Hey, Chris Crone, REIC, and I'm just going to walk here into our call center here, and I'm going to take you guys off of the phones here. Pause for a sec. Who do we got here? We've got
Micah.
Micah, how you doing?
Doing well.
You've been working with us for how long now?
About 2.5 months.
So you got started with us not too long ago, but your real start happened not too long ago. Bought your first property.
Yes.
Pretty cool. Awesome, awesome. We've got Ben King in the house.
Hello.
What's going on, Ben?
Hey, some of you guys might know me. I've talked with a lot of people. I've one of the success stories, and I've purchased multiple properties here, and I'll be the guy that you talk to, one of the guys you talk to after you attend a seminar.
Because one of the other could be.
Hey, I'm Jordan there. I'm the personality of the call center. I'm just kidding, Ben.
You're the one that keeps getting in trouble for shoddy work.
That's right.
Just kidding. And you're relatively new with us. What are your plans?
I'm actually working on getting into my very first property right now.
Do you guys
Very
got that?
excited.
You can't come play with REIC unless you are doing the program. You're making plans for it. You're making it happen. And we've got some guys here that are just rocking house, and appreciate what you guys do every day getting people prepared. Thank you.
Thanks, Chris.
Thank